ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम् सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम् सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशागमास्तथा धातुपाठो गणपाठः उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशागमास्तथा धातुपाठो गणपाठः उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
अथ परस्मै भा ओके सॉरी 300 परस्मै भाषाः तदीयरक्षण अनरन वन भन मन खन ख्वन व्रण भ्रण ध्वन शब्दार्थाः।
अणरण वण भण मण कण क्वण व्रण भ्रण ध्वन शब्दार्थाः।
Shabde to sound in the sense of making sound. All these are parasmaipadi. So you can do parasmaipadi also. Maybe we'll do atmaipadi. Parasmaipadi one, atmaipadi. You alone will do. Okay. Pondru apanagane 301.
ओ निरे अपनयने
Shondru varnagatyoho
शो नृणे वर्णगत्योः
Shrondru sanghate
श्रोणिरे सङ्घाते
Shlondru cha
श्लोणिरे च
Praindru gati prerana shleshaneshu.
प्रायनृणे गति प्रेरणा श्लोषणेषु
No, shleshaneshu. not Shloshana. Shleshaneshu.
Shleshaneshu. Prainre gati prerana shleshaneshu.
Dhrana Shabde.
Dhrana shabde.
Kani Deeptikanti Gatishu.
Kani diptikanti gatishu.
Sthana Vana Shabde.
Shtana varna shabde.
Vana, Vanati Vanataha Vananti. To speak, to make sound. Vana Shana Sambhaktau. Another Vana.
Vanashana sambhaktau.
In the sense of serving, or Sambhaktau. Amagatyadau.
Amagatyadau.
Amatyamataha Avanti Gati. In the sense of movement. Drama Hamma Mimr Gatau.
Drama hamma mimre gatau.
Shamu Chamu Jamu Jamu Adane.
The first side, chamu.
Shamu, it must be Shamu.
Chamu, okay. Chamu, chamu, jamu, jamu, adane.
Yeah, Shamu. Shamu or I think Shamu. What could it be? Or Kamu. What is that? Sari Dhatu. Kaka. Not Gamu. Or is it Chamu? What else be Chamu? Chamu, not Chamu, sorry, Chamu. It means Cha, because it's an alphabetical order, you can see. This is Cha, this is Cha, 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 Ja, Ja, Chamu.
Okay.
Please read again. Chamu, Chamu, Jamu, Jamu, Adane.
Jamu, chamu, jamu, jamu, adane.
Chamu, Chamati, Chamataha, Chamanti. And when you have A Chamati, A Chamanam, Achyutaya Namaha, Anantaya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha, you say, right? When you do the same thing, this dhatu only. Cham with a prefix A, Achamanam. Initial purifying the mouth by sipping water, taking the palm, right? Achaman. This from this dhatu only. Chamati Chamataha Chamanti. Chamasi Chamataha Chamata. Aham Chamami, Achamami. I sip the water. Kramu Pada Vikshepe.
Kramu pada vikshepe.
Pada Vikshepe means Kramati, walking. So this is something, special dhatu, which is, Ubhayapadi. So we can do this dhatu. Okay, I'll tell you the form. One form I'll tell you, I'll say the same way you can do.
The word krama, sequence, that means sequences.
Again, what is that?
The word krama, that means sequence, comes from this kramu.
Secret.
Sequence.
What is it?
Sequence. Step by step.
Yeah, krama. Yeah, krama. Krama, yes. Krama, the order, the movement. So it means pada vikshepe, to walk. So this dhatu is something special. Even though it is given parasmayapadi here, there are some sutras, for it is ubhayapadi. Okay. In parasmayapadi itself, we have two forms. Please see. I give the forms here. Kramati, one form. And another one is, it can take the fourth kana, shan also it can take. Another form. Kramyati. Please note this. Kramati is one form. And Kramyati is another form. This dhatu, something special. Kra will become Kra. The content of the dhatu is Kram. Okay. Akraman, Akramanaha, Krama, order, Karyakrama, all those things comes from this dhatu. Kram. So the form would be Krama, you can note. This is One form. Another form is kramyati. Okay. This is Parasmipadi form. First you do Parasmipadi form. Later we will do Atmanipadi form. How this form comes and all we are going to see later. Okay. You can take this dhatu and you can do the declensions. Please do.
Kramati, kramataha, kramanti. Oh, kra, no?
Kramati, yes, very good. Kramati, it is not Kramati.
Kramati, kramataha, kramanti. Kramasi, kramataha, kramatha.
Kramatha.
Kramomi?
Kramami.
Kramami, okay. Kramami, kramavaha, kramamaha.
Another form, Kramyati. Please do it, that also.
Kramyati, kramyataha, kramyanti. Kramyasi, kramyataha, kramyatha.
Kramyatha.
Kramyatha, kramyami, kramyamaha, kramyavaha.
Kramyavaha, Kramyamaha. You're saying also the way.
Yes, yes. Kramyami, kramyavaha, kramyamaha.
Okay, now we can do Lang Lakara.
Akrama, akramat, akramatam, akramat.
No. Say it properly. The Dirgha Raswana very important. See, Krama is a word. Akramat.
Akramat, akramatam, akramat.
Not akramatam. Akramatam. Krama is a word. You have the, okay, 1 minute. You have this file with you. I'll show this. See the word and then tell. It is Krama.
Okay. Krama.
Akramat. Tell.
Akramat.
Tell the other forms. You want the screen? Without the screen, you have to tell.
Akramat. Akramatam. Akramata.
Akraman.
Akraman. Akramat. Akramataha. Akramat. I need to see the other screen.
Then you have to remember Krama. Don't make the mistake there. Don't say Krama.
Okay.
Either only one thing I can show you. Huh? Yes.
Akramaha, akramatam, akramata, akraman,
Akramam.
akramam, akramava.
Akramava, not Akramava. Akramava.
Akramavam. No.
No, okay. You repeat after me.
Okay.
Akramat.
Akramat.
This is your homework. You write it. Okay, after the class. Or whenever you get time. Akramatam.
Akramatam.
Akraman.
Akraman.
Akramaha.
Akramaha.
Akramatam.
Akramatam.
Akramata.
Akramata.
Akramam.
Akraman.
Akramava.
Akramava.
Akramama.
Akramama.
Then Kramya. Another form is that.
Okay. Akramyat. No. Akramyat. Akramyatam. Akramyavat. Akramyan. Akramyaha. Akramyaha. Akramyatam. Akramyata. Akramyan. Akramyav.
Akramyam. No. Akramyam.
Akramyam. Akramyav. Akramyam.
Yes. Lot lakara. Krama.
Kramatu kramatam.
No, not kramatu. Kramatu.
Okay. Kramatu. Kramatam. Kramantu. Kramatam.
Kramatam.
Kramata. Kramani. Kramava. Kramama.
Yes. Kramya.
Kramyatu. Kramyatam. Kramyantu. Kramya. Kramyatam. Kramyata. Kramyani. Kramyava. Kramyama.
Then ling lakara. Krama
Kramit.
plus eat.
Kramit.
Kramet, not kramet. Kramet.
Kramit. Kramit. Kramitam. Krameyuhu. Kramehi. Kramitam. Kramita. Krameyam. Kramiva. Kramima. Kramyet. Kramyetam. Kramyeyuhu. Kramyeha. Kramyetam. Kramyeta. Kramyeyam. Kramyeva. Kramyema.
Okay. Krameyam, krameva, kramema. Kramyeyam, kramyeva, kramyema. Okay. It's not clear in what you said. This is Parasmaipadi form of this dhatu. Two forms are there, Parasmaipadi. In Atmanipadi also it is declined. There what will happen? It is Kra, dhatu is Kram, Kramate, and Kramyate, another form. You see, only in Parasmaipadi, Kram become Kram. But here it is Kramate only. So note the form. Krama, Kramya. Okay. Then add the pratyaya and tell the form. First Krama.
Kramati. Kramataha.
No, not
Kramanti.
Atmanepadi. Parasmaipadi already we have done. Kramate.
Kramate. Kramate. Kramate. Kramante.
Again?
Kramate. We are using the ate.
No, how can you use ate? This is first kana, right?
Okay.
Ite only.
Okay. Kramate. Kramete. Kramante. Kramase. Kramete. Kramadhve.
Kramete. You have to say Kramete. Kramete. Te. Dirgha.
Kramete. Kramadhve. Kramai. Kramavahe.
Not Kramai. Krama plus A, what's Sandhi?
Kramai? No. Okay, I know. Krame.
Apadantagara followed by Guna. Yes. Krame, yes.
Krame.
Krame.
Kramavahe. Kramamahe.
Yes. Now you say, take Kramya.
Kramyate. Kramyate. Kramyete. Kramyante.
Yes.
Kramyase. Kramyete. Kramyadhve. Kramye. Kramyavahe. Kramyamahe.
Kramyavahe.
Kramyavahe.
Say it properly.
Kramyavahe. Kramyamahe.
Yes. Then Lang Lakara.
akramatam, akraman.
Sir, Atmanepadi, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You have to be alert every step. Krama is a dhatu.
Akramata, akramit, akramata, akramitam, akramanta.
Just a minute. Thought of doing something, but oh, you cannot do it. Okay, fine. I thought I was pasting that here. Okay, fine. A plus krama. You can take a note. Krama, remember krama and kramya. The attagama and then add the pratyaya. Okay. So a plus krama plus ta akramata.
Okay. Akramata, akramitam, akramanta.
Akrameta, not akram. Akrameta, say me, dirga.
Yes. Akramitam, akramanta, akramatah, akramitam, akramadvam, akramavahe, akramamahe.
Akramavahi,
Okay.
akramamahi.
Akramavahi, akramamahi.
Then kramya.
Akramyata,
No. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Akramyata, please say.
akramyata, akramyetam, akramyanta, akramyatah, akramyetam, akramyadvam, akramavahi,
Akramya, no.
akramamahi.
Akramyavahi, akramyamahi. Say it again.
Akramyavahi, akramyamahi.
Yes. Now load lagara. First krama and then kramya.
Akramatam, akramitam, akramantam, akramasva, akramitam, akramadvam, akramai, akramavahai, akramamahai.
Very good. Kramya.
Akamyatam, akamyetam, akamyantam, akamyasva, akamyetam, akamyadvam, akamyai, akamavahai,
Say it properly.
akamyavahai, akamyamahai.
Yes. Ling lakara. Krama.
Kamaita.
No. Krama, first you do krama and then we can do kramya. Kramya. Krama plus ita, a plus e.
I.
A plus e, I.
This is okay. Kamita. Kamita.
Not kameta. Krameta.
Okay.
Krameta.
Okay. Kramita. Kramiyatam. Kramiran. Kramitah. Kramiyatam. Kramidvam. Kramiya. Kramivahi. Kramimahi.
Now you do kramya.
Kramyeta. Oh.
Right. Kramye.
Yes. Kramyeta. Kramyatam. Kramyeran. Kramyetah. Kramyeyatam. Kramyedvam. Kramyeya. Kramyevahi. Kramyemahi.
Yes, that's good. At least you should do 10 times to get familiarity with the fluency. Please do it. It's all very good, very important. So that Dirga, Rasva don't make any mistake on that. Okay. I think this we have done. Let us read up to 325. No. आत्मनेपद भाषा. अय वय पय मय चय तय नय गतौ.
Ayavaya paya maya chaya taya naya gatao.
अय धातु विसा. Remember.
Yes.
आत्मनेपदी. अयते अयेते अयन्ते.
Ayante.
अयसे अयेते अयद्वे. We have done. The class itself we have done. Right? दय दान गति रक्षण हिंसादनेषु.
Daya dana gati rakshana himsadaneshu.
रय गतौ.
Ayagatao.
ऊगी तंतु संताने.
Ui tantu santane.
पूयी विशरणे दुर्गन्धे च.
Poi visharane durgandhe cha.
क्नोयी शब्दे उन्दने च.
Noi shabde undane cha.
क्ष्मायी विधूनने.
Shmai vidhonane.
स्पायी ओप्यायी वृद्धौ.
Sphayi opyayi vridhao.
तायुर्सन्तानपालनयोः.
Tair santanaparanayoho.
शल चलन संवरणयोः.
Shalachalana sanvaranayoho.
वलवल्ल संवरणे संचरणे च.
Vala valla samvarane sancharane cha.
So 325. Okay. Now let us do some sutras. Let us chant those words. भूवादयो धातवः.
Bhuvadayo dhatavaha.
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः.
Sannadhyanta dhatavaha.
धात्वा देहे सहसः.
Dhatva dehshahasah.
नो नः.
No naha.
विदितोऽनुं धातोः.
Ditonum dhatoho.
ऋतयिद्धातोः.
Rita dhatoho.
उपधायाश्च.
Pradhayascha.
उदोष्ट्यपूर्वस्य.
Udoshthyapurvasya.
ऋवोरुपधाया दीर्घ इकः.
Prevorupadhaya dirgha ikaha.
हलि च.
Halicha.
उपधायां च.
Pradhayamcha.
प्रत्ययः.
Pratyayah.
परश्च.
Parascha.
आदिदातश्च.
Adyudatascha.
धातोरेकाचो हलाधे क्रिया समभिगाधे यङ्.
Dhatorekacho haladeh kriya samabhihare jnang.
धातोः.
Dhatoho.
लस्य.
Asya.
तिप्तस्झि सिप्तस्त विप्तस्मस्त आतां च थास् आतां द्वम् इट् वगि महिङ्.
Diptasjhi sipthastha mipvasmas ta atam ja thas atham dvam
No,
ing
ta
vahi vahi.
ta आतां च, not आतां, आतां च long.
Thas atham dvam. No. Ta atam ja thas atham dvam ing vahi mahing.
Not ing, it vagi magi. The font
Id.
will be like
Okay.
that. It vagi magi.
Id. Okay.
Tingshit sarvadhatukam.
Tingshit sarvadhatukam.
Ardhadhatukam sheshaha.
Ardhadhatukam sheshaha.
Litsha.
Litsha.
Linga shishi.
Linga Shishi.
Laha Parasmai Padam.
Laha Parasmai Padam.
Tangano Atmane Padam.
Tangyanavatmane Padam.
Tangano Atmane Padam.
Tangyanavatmane Padam.
The last sutra we saw was Laha Parasmai Padam, Tangano Atmane Padam, right?
Yes.
You remember that sutra? Laha Parasmai Padam, which says that all the tip pratyas, nothing pratyas, comes in the place of lakara. They get the sanya Parasmai Pada. But the next
Yes.
sutra says Tang. That is Atmane Padam. Therefore, since this is in Akadarat Eka Sanya, only one Sanya is possible, right? Two Sanyas
Yes.
are not possible. Therefore, Tang cannot enjoy Parasmai Pada Sanya. It has to be Atmane Padam only. Understand?
Yes.
In this Tangano, one more word is there that we have not seen, that we will see later. Probably you know it. I am not sure whether you have studied that. Shatrushanat. Have you seen Shatrushanat, present participle? Have you studied? Present participle, like Gachan, Gachanto, Gachantaha.
Yes.
That is what it is. But here it is Shanach. Like for Atmanepadi, we had the Labavanaha, Labamano, Labavanaha. Have you studied? Okay. If you have studied, it is okay. Otherwise, we will study later. In our Sanskrit class, we will do that. I will explain what it is. Okay. Here we have two things. Tangano Atmanepadam is Tang plus Ana. Tangano. What's Sandhi here? Notes I will prepare this the other order later and then tell you. But just understand the sutra. That much itself. Tang Ano Atmane Padam. Tang means we know the pratyas. The thing pratyas, the 9 pratyas Tang will get the sanya Atmane Padam. Ana. This is a Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Tangana, Tangano, Tanganaha. Okay. Ana is a pratyaya. Ana is a pratyaya. What pratyaya? Shanach pratyaya. Which is a Shanach or Kanach. That we will see later. Present participle pratyaya Shanach. So already we have one more pratyaya Kanach. So that we will see later. Okay. Up to that we saw, right? Is it clear what Parasmay Pada is a Sanya? Atmane Pada is a Sanya. All the Sanyas we are seeing. Sarvadhataka Sanya, Adadhataka Sanya. Pratyaya itself is a name Sanya. Krit Sanya. First we are seeing introduction. Thinkshit Sarvadhatukam, Adadhatukam Sheshaha. Then this Litsha Linga also Adadhatuka. Then Parasmay Pada Sanya, Atmane Pada Sanya. Though we know, but we are seeing the Sutra. Similarly, here also we have seen many Sanyas. Bhuvadeo Dhatu Sanya. These two Sanyas. Right? These two are Sanya Sutras. These are some Vidhi Sutras. And from here onwards again, Dhatu Hadikara, Lasya, in the place of Lakara, the Stip Tasji, these Adeshas come. And from here onwards, we are seeing Sanya Sutras. Okay. Now the Sanya Sutra continues, not yet over. For doing Lakara, we should know many Sanyas. The next Sanya is, as I told, I will put it in our format. Our format is Padacheda, etc. We'll do later, but I will explain what it is. Bhagavachanam. What is Bhagavachanam?
Plural.
That is also a Sanya.
Yes.
That is also Sanya. Bhagavachanam, Dvivachanam, Ekavachanam, all are Sanya. So therefore, we should not take it for granted. It should be defined. All these should be defined. So that is what we are going to do, definition. Okay.
Yes.
So this is Bhagavachana Sanya. We'll see. Then Ekavachana, Dvivachane. You have to split the Sandhi to see Dvivachana and Ekavachana. Then what about Pratama Purusha, Pratama, Madhyama, Uttama? That is also Sanya. Pratama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, it is defined here. Okay. Then the next sutra also, which says among the thing pratyas, which are pratama, which are madhyama, which are uttama. That also you have to tell. See, here the pratyaya I will show you. Just say for example this. You tell me what is this? What is that?
Yeah, pratyaya.
Pratyaya. But what is it? What is that? But this, what pratyaya
Ah,
is this?
madhyama purusha dvivachanam.
How do you know it is madhyama purusha? You have to give that sanya to that. The tas pratyaya is madhyama purusha dvivachana pratyaya. So madhyama purusha sanya, dvivachana sanya, everything is sanya, right? We know, therefore we should not take it for granted. It should be all defined, right? That is what.
Yes.
Similarly for all the pratyayas. So that is what is defined by the next sutra. Tani ekavachana, dvivachana, bhagavachanani anekashaha. And next in this madhyama and uttama. Here it is Tani ekavachanam, then here it is madhyama purusha, uttama purusha, pratama purusha. That is defined here. We will see one by one. You will understand. First, let us take Bhagushu Bhagavachanam. Right?
Yes.
Sutra, where is the sutra? 1.4.21. You see the sutra pata. What is Bhagavachanam? Defined here. Here. Bhagushu Bhagavachanam. Okay.
Yes.
What is Bhagushu Bhagavachanam? You can see here. I explained here. Bhagutve vivakshite Bhagavachanam bhavati. It is not only for think pratyas. It's also for supratyaya, right? There also we have ekavachan, dvivachan, bhagavachan, ramaha, ramo, ramaha. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that's ekavachanam, dvivachan, bhagavachanam. The sanya for the pratyas is there for supratyas also, right? Not only for think pratyas. Therefore, we see, ni ab pratipadikat. Pratipadikat, swadayah. What is swadayah? Su, aujas, aujas. That is pratyaya. Swadayah. So swadayah pratyaya, they come after the pratipadikam. Or they come after the pratyaya, Srilinga pratyaya, ni pratyaya, ab pratyaya. That if you know it's fine, otherwise leave it, no problem. Pratipadika, that you know. So su, aujas, amaujas comes after what pratyaya? Sorry, comes after what? Pratipadikam. Similarly, lasya, in the place of lakara, tibadayaha, tiptasti, right? They come.
Yes.
Swadayah pratyayah pratipadikat parah. Tibadayah lasya sthane. Dhatoho parah bhavati. Understand?
Yes.
It is samanyena bhagavachanam vihitam. When bhagavachanam, when they refer to many, then tasya bhagutva sanya vachyatena vidiyate. Then when they tasya anena bhagutva sanya vachyatena vidiyate. When they refer to many, then it will be called bhagavachanam. When the pratyaya refer to the many of what? Many of whether it is a pratipadikam or whether it is a lasya, the kriya, dhatu, right? Then it will get a sanya bhagutvam, right? The pratyas, supratyas which are added after the pratipadika, and the pratyas, the tivari pratyaya which comes in the place of lakara, which comes after the dhatu, when they denote bhagutvam means plural, many. When they denote many, right? These pratyas are added. That is what it means. Bagushu Bhagavachanam. In denoting many, we need to add Bhagavachana pratyayas. Okay. Bagushu Bhagavachanam. In denoting many, we have to add the pratyayas. We have to add the pratyayas for referring to many. Bhagavachana forms have to be used. So, you see, Bagushu Bhagavachanam. Bhagavachana forms are used when referring to many. That is what its meaning is. Bhagushu, in the sense of many. Bhagavachana forms have to be used. Bhagavachana forms of the Pratipadikam or Bhagavachana form of the Kriyapadam. Whatever it is. If it is Rama, then Ramaha. When you want to denote many. Chatraha is one chatra. When you want to refer to many chatra, therefore you have to say Chatraha. Right? Similarly, Patati, if you want to refer to many, then you have to say Patanti. Right? Therefore, they get the Sanya. When they refer to many, they get the Sanya Bhagavachanam. Right?
Yes.
And the Pratyas, we know what Pratyas refer to many. The Pratyaya referring to many could be the Pratyas added to the Pratipadikam or the Pratyas which come in the place of Lakara, which comes after the Dhatu. Right?
Yes.
Bhagutva Sanya. Bhagutva Sanya means number. When it is referred to many, Vachyatvena Vidiyate. Tasya Anena, by this, Bhagutva Sanya Vachyatvena Vidiyate. When Bhagutvam, when the intention is to denote the many, then the pratyas denoting many should be added to the Pratipadikam or the Dhatu. Understand?
Yes.
The Dhatu means Dhatu will take Lakara and the Lakara Tibadi Pratyaya Sarkam. Therefore, the Pratyaya denoting plural should be added to the Pratipadikam or the Dhatu when referring to many. That's the meaning. Okay. Right?
Yes.
So, otherwise, how will you refer to many? To refer to many, you have to use Bhagavachana Pratyaya. That's what it says. Bhagushu, Bhagavachana Pratyaya Bhavati. Bhagushu, in the sense of many, Bhagavachana Pratyaya should be added. To what? The question comes. To what you add? To be added to Pratipadikam or to be added to the Lasya, that is Lakara. Lakara will take the Pratyas and that comes after the Dhatu. So, in the place of Lasya, the Pratyas corresponding to referring to many, and in the Swadi Pratyas corresponding to many will come after Dhatu. When Bhagutva Sanya Vachyat, when denoting many, when denoting plural. Example, Brahmanaha Patanti. Example, you see. Brahmanaha Patanti. So Brahmanaha is Bhagavachanam. Bhagutva Vivakshite. Bhagavachana Pratyaha Bhavanti. Here Pratyaya is just Pratyaha. Similarly, Kriyapadam. Bhagutve Vivakshite. Therefore, respectively, the Pratyaya G comes. Anti comes in the place of Lakara and that comes after the Dhatu Patanti. Understand?
Yes.
Only this much. There is nothing further to explain in this. In expressing many, we have to use Bhagavachana Pratyaya. That's what the sutra says. Okay.
Yeah.
And to Abhyaya and all you cannot add because Abhyaya doesn't undergo any change. So this is to be added only for the Pratipadikam. I mean the Pratyaya can be added only to the Pratipadikam and the Supratyas and Tin Pratyas to the Dhatus. So the Pratyaya which denotes there are plural, the the pratyas which refer plural, so that pratyaya will be added to the respective the prakriti, whether it is pratipadikam or whether it is dhatu, whatever it is. So denoting plurality, denoting multiplicity. Pratyas are added. Bhagavachanam. Bhagushu Bhagavachanam. This is not even a Sanya Sutra. Okay. It is just a says. It's not a Vidhi also. You know, we can say Vidhi, can say Vidhi Sutra, but how to classify this? It is just a statement. We can say Vidhi Sutra loosely. What pratyaya should be used when denoting the plural? This sutra says that the pratyas denoting plural should be added to the prakriti in denoting many. That is the meaning of this sutra. Bhagushu Bhagavachanam. Okay, Bhagushu Vivakshiteshu Bhagavachana Pratyaha Bhavanti Pratipadigat Dhatoho Va. Understand?
Yes.
This is one sutra. Then next one is, here you have to split to understand what it is. Sandhi. You see that. How do you split? Here, Dakara, then Ye. What is that? This Dvi Vachana Ekavachane. What's Sandhi? Dvi Vachana Ekavachane. Dvi
9.
Vachana Ekavachane. Right? A plus A. Vridhi Sandhi. And here, how do you split this? Here also two words are there, but
Dwa.
two words
Okay.
compounded. Huh?
Dwa plus.
Not
Dwa
Dwa.
plus Ek.
No. Dvi plus Eka.
Okay.
E plus A. What's Sandhi? E plus A. Ayadi.
Ayadi.
Therefore, Dve. Ka. Yoho. That is what the Eka. Yor. Understand?
Yes.
Because we are talking about Dvivachana and Ekavachana. Right?
Yes.
Therefore, similarly here, Dvi Eka Yoho. For Dvi, for referring to two or for referring to one, you have to use the pratyaya, Dvivachana pratyaya and Ekavachana pratyaya respectively. As we have used Bhagavachana pratyaya to denote many by the previous sutra, see the sutra has to be there, right? Suppose the pratyas are given, Tiptasji. How do you know which pratyaya denotes many? You should know, right?
Yeah.
I don't tell. There should be his name. So Bhagavachanam is not, it's a Sanya, but the Sanya is not defined here. Okay, it states. We know the Tiptasji, the G is Bhagavachanam, similarly Su out just is Bhagavachanam, we know. Right? Yeah, we know. But you have to say that in the form of sutra. When referring to money, Bhagavachana pratyas have to be used. Otherwise, how do you know? Nothing is taken for granted. You have to state it. For referring to money, Bhagavachana pratyas to be used to what? Could be pratipadikam or could be dhatu. Dhatoho paraha lakaraha bhavati lasyasthane tibadeha bhavanti. Right? Tibadeha. So therefore, Swadeha means the Bhagavachana pratyas corresponding to Swadi pratyas comes after the Pratipadika. The Bhagavachana pratyas corresponding to Tivadi will come after the Dhatu, and that of course it comes in the place of Lakara. This is for Bhagavachana. Similarly, Bhagutve Vivakshite Bhagavachana pratyaha bhavanti Prakrutehe Paraha. Similarly, Dvivachane Vivakshite, Vitta Vivakshite, Ekatva Vivakshite, Dvitve Vivakshite, when referring to two, duality. Dvitve Vivakshite, Dvivachanasya pratyaya bhavati. Tasmat paraha, after Pradipadikam or after Dhatu. Similarly, Ekatve Vivakshite, when referring to only one, Ekavachanasya pratyayasya prayogaga bhavati, right? Ekavachana pratyaya will come after what? After Pradipadikam or after Dhatu. The corresponding pratyayas. Understand?
Yes.
So Dvivachana forms are used Dvivachana forms are used, means what? Dvivachana forms, that is Ramo, is used. When? When it is used to refer to two.
Yes.
Patataha. When do you use patataha? When referring to two people reading. Similarly, Ramaha. When do you use Ramaha? When referring to one. Gachati. When do you use Gachati? Only when one person is going, Gachati. And how do you accomplish this? By the addition of pratyas to the prakriti, the pratipadikam or dhatu, whatever it is. Right? So
Yes.
therefore it says, Dvitva eka yogo artha yogo. Artha yogo, when referring to two or one. Dvivachana ekavachane bhavataha. Dvivachana pratyaya, and not pratyaya, Dvivachana forms and ekavachana forms have to be used. And the forms are derived out. Etadapi samanya vigita yogo. Dvivachana ekavachana eva artha vidhanam. Dvitve dvivachanam. Vachanam. Dvivachanam bhavati. For referring to two, dvivachana pratyaya should be added to the prakriti. The prakriti could be dhatu or pratipadika. Similarly, ekatva vivakshite, ekavachana pratyaya should be added to the prakriti. The prakriti could be a dhatu or pratipadikam. Understand?
Yes.
This is what the sutra says. Bhagushu bhagavachanam means when referring to many, we have to use bhagavachana forms. And dvivachana means referring to two. Dvitva vivakshite, dvivachanam to be used. Ekatva vivakshite, ekavachana to be used. Okay. From that, we have to understand what? For referring to two, we have to add the pratyaya corresponding to that, to the prakriti. What are maybe the pratyaya? Supratyaya, think pratyaya. So, by this sutra, only the pratyayas also get the name. Dvivachanam, ekavachanam, indirectly. So, bhagushu vivakshite, bhaguvachana pratyaha bhavanti, right? Therefore, these pratyayas will get the sanya bhaguvachanam. Ekatva vivakshite, when referring to one, ekavachana forms are to be used, and ekavachana forms are accomplished by using these pratyayas. Therefore, these pratyayas get the sanya ekavachana pratyaha. When referring to many, when referring to two, dvivachana forms have to be used. The language like brachatro, patataha, like that. So there we have to use dvivachana pratyaya. So by that it gets us pratyaya, so the sanya. Same thing for supratyaya also. This is for dhatu. This is for the thing pratyayas. Added comes after the dhatu. Similarly for supratyayas also. For supratyaya, bhagushu vivakshite, when referring to many, bhagavachanam should be used. And the pratyas corresponding to the pratyas corresponding to the vibhaktis and representing many are the entire column. Therefore, get the sanya bhagavachanam. Similarly, ekatva vivakshite, ekavachana forms to be used. We want to say only one thing, refer to only one thing, only one Rama. Suppose Rama, it could be a Karaka, Karta, or Ramam, Karma, or Karana, Ramena, or Ramat, or Ramat, Ramasya, Rame, whatever it may be. Or you want to call a Ramam, whatever it is, right? So that is ekavachana form. Ekatva vivakshite, ekavachana forms to be used, and for that ekavachanam, need to add the pratyas corresponding to ekavachana. Therefore, the pratyas also get the sanya ekavachana pratyaya. Same thing for dvivachana pratyaya. Understand?
Yes.
Is it clear? So,
Yes.
therefore, the pratyas get the sanya ekavachanam. Whether supratyaya, think pratyaya, get sanya ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bhagavachanam. And these pratyas added to the prakriti, corresponding prakriti, whatever it is, the pratipadikam or dhatu, when referring to Bhagushu, when referring to many, Bhagavachanam have to be used. When referring to two, Dvivachanam have to be used. When referring to only one, Ekavachanam have to be used. That is what the sutra says. Right?
Yes.
That is the meaning. Is it clear? Simple
Yes.
sutra only it is. Right? So therefore, anything further to be said on this? Let me check. Yes. So therefore, from this sutra, the pratyas we can tell, we can take pratyas get the sanya ekavachanam dvivachanam. That's what I said in the beginning. Okay. So it is not a sanya sutra explicitly, but from this sutra we can say the pratyas get the sanya ekavachanam dvivachanam bhagavachanam. Why? How it gets? By telling the usage, the sutra that tells gives a sanya. By telling the usage. Bhagutve vivekshite means bhagavachana forms have to be used when referring to many. So when referring to many, that is the usage. You want to refer to something which are many in number. Then bhagavachana only you have to use. So bhagavachana how do you use? Only with the pratyaya and the prakriti. So therefore pratyaya get what sanya? Bhagavachana pratyaha. Prakriti will get sanya. Pratipadikam will be pratipadikam. The same pratipadikam will refer to a group of things depending on what pratyaya you add. If it is just pratyaya, then it will refer to the group, Ramaha. If you add sup pratyaya, it will refer to only one Ramaha only. Right? So pratipadikam remaining the same. What makes a difference in referring to eka, dvi or many? Pratyayas. Therefore, the sutra indirectly assigns ekavachana, dvivachana, bhagavachana sanya to the pratyayas. That way I take this as a sanya sutra. Understand?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Very good. All these things we know, we take it for granted. Without telling, without. Yeah.
I'm curious about one thing. Will it have sutras to specify Bahuvachanam are those pratyas, Ekavachanam are those pratyas? Will you have this kind of sutra?
You see the next sutra. Here it is. The sutra says. Now, how do you know? You're asking. How do you know just as Bhagavachana Pratyaya, right? That's not your question.
Yes.
I said just get the for referring to many, just Pratyaya should be used. Fine. But how do I know just Pratyaya is Bhagavachanam? This is Tani Ekavachana Dvivachana Bhagavachanani Anekacha. The sutra tells. The sutra tells that Tiptasi, Siptastas, Bipvasmas, Tatamja, Tasatamjam, Itvagimaging is there. 18 pratyas. Similarly, Suvaujas, Sammochas, Tabhyambis, Nyebhyambis, 3 are there. 3 you have to take it. That's what he said. Tani. And here from this previous sutra, Trini coming as Anuvritti. Trini, 3. You have to take 3, triad. 3. You have to take. So 3 you have to take. Tani, Tingaha, Trini, Ekashaha, Ekaikam Padam Tamena. If you take Ting Prataya, 3, because Sutra is Tiptasam, it must one long one. So you take 3. In that, the first one is Ekavachanam, second one is Dvivachanam, third one is Bhagavachanam. Again, you take the next one is Ekavachanam, next one is Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. Again, after that, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. This is for Ting Pratayas, right? Same for Supratyas also. Same for Supratyas also. Supratyas comes later. Putrasti. I think I've not given. Supa is not required for us. That's why I have not added. Okay. Supaha and Sutram is. Understand? I think we will see that Sutra.
Very beautiful. The way it is arranged is very impressive. So
this is Tani. Having stated all the prastya, Tani, 3. Like in the class, we arrange a student 3. First row, second row, third row. This is Ekavachanam, this is Dvivachanam, this is Bhagavachanam. That's how we define. Okay. So this we will see the sutra, this 2 sutra in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So please practice chanting that. Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, we have time. 5
I
minutes.
have 5 minutes. I have.
Okay, let us quickly chant this. अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
प्रत्ययः
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
परश्च
आद्युदातश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
अनुदातो सुप्पितौ
नुदातौ सुप्तौ
गुप्तिच्किद्यः सन्
गुप्तिज्ञिभ्यः सन्
मान् बदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
महन्वदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातो कर्मण समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातो कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
सुप आत्मनः क्यच
सुप आत्मनः क्यच
कां यच्छ
काम्यच्च
उपमानादाचारे
अमानादाचारे
अधिकरणा चेति वक्तव्यम्
अधिकरणाच्चेति वक्तव्यम्
कर्तृक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तुः किं सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विप्वा वक्तव्यः
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्वि वा वक्तव्यः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
वृषाद्भ्यो भुव्य च्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
लोगितादिडाच्भ्यक्यश
लोहितादिडाद्भ्यः क्यश
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणो रोमन्त तपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणो रोमन्थतपोभ्यं वर्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
बाष्पोष्पभ्याम् उद्वमने
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्डमेघेभ्यः करणे
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकम्बमेघेभ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
नमो वरिवश्चित्रनख्य च
नमो वरिवश्चित्रज्ञः क्यच
पुच्छभाण्डचीवरानिङ्
उच्चभाण्डविचीरचीवराणिम्
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनव्रतवस्त्रालकलकृततूस्तेभ्यो निच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्षणलवनव्रतवस्त्रहलकालकृततुस्तेभ्यः णिच
धातोरेकाचो हलादे क्रियासमभिहारेयङ्
धातोरेकाचोहलादिः क्रियासमभिहारे ञम्
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
लुपसदचर जपदभ जगदश गृभ्यो भावगर्गायाम्
लुपसदचरजपजभदः गुरुभ्यो भवगाह्याम्
सत्यावाशरूपवीणातुलश्लोकसेनालोमत्वच वर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निच
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलश्लोकसेनालोम त्वच वर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निच
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
yes up to this you can memorize okay. Let's stop here. You go to the recording. Do you go to the recording in Sanskritam recording?
Yes.
Okay. And the Kena-upanishad also is said.
Yes, I'm only 3 classes behind, but I'm hurrying up to stay synchronized.
Okay. Okay. I'm going slowly only, not repeating many things in every class.
Yes.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद।